The green anaconda, native to the lush tropical rainforest of South America, holds the title for being one of the world's longest and heaviest snake species. These impressive constrictors, which lack venom, can reach lengths of up to 30 feet 9 meters and weigh up to 550 pounds 250 kilograms. Females tend to be larger and heavier than males. Their stunning green coloration, adorned with circular black markings, grants them excellent camouflage within their lush and swampy habitats. Being semi-aquatic, green anacondas frequently inhabit slow-moving rivers, swamps, and marshes. They are exceptional swimmers, utilizing their muscular bodies to glide effortlessly through the water. With their eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their head, they can submerge almost entirely while still maintaining the ability to see and breathe. These massive snakes are ambush predators, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance before launching a rapid and powerful attack. Green anacondas have a diverse diet, preying on fish, birds, reptiles, and mammals. Their flexible jaws can stretch widely, allowing them to swallow large prey whole. After consuming a substantial meal, anacondas can survive for weeks or even months without the need to eat again. Constriction serves as the primary method employed by green anacondas to subdue their prey. They coil their powerful bodies around their victims, exerting immense pressure that ultimately leads to suffocation or circulatory failure. Despite their fearsome reputation, green anacondas pose little threat to humans and attacks are extremely rare. While they face few natural predators, human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, and hunting for their skins pose a threat to their existence. However, their remote and often inaccessible habitats provide some level of protection against these dangers. Conservation efforts for green anacondas revolve around preserving their habitats, establishing protected areas, and regulating hunting and trade. These measures are essential for ensuring the long term survival of this remarkable species.